The topic for today is how to merge images in MS Paint. Here you can see, one image is already open. Let's try to open another image above this one. Click on the files. Click on Open. Select any image. Click Open. Here you can see the old image replaced by a new image. Let's try another way. Click on any image and drag to the MS Paint. Here you can see the same thing happening. So the question is how to merge multiple images into a single image in MS Paint. For this, you have to click on the arrow below Paste. Here you have to avoid the Paste option. Click on the Paste From. Now select any image. Click Open. You can see that both images are open at the same time. Now adjust the image as per requirements. Again, click on the Paste form. Select another image. Click Open. Adjust the image as per your requirements. Repeat this process for any number of images. Now if you want to merge images side by side, then how do you do that? Here you can see, there is no space for pasting images side by side. Simply drag the images side to fit your needs. Select Paste From. Select any image. Click Open. Now adjust the image as per requirements. In this process, you can merge or combine images in MS Paint without Photoshop. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.